lemonade stand. This is Unit 9 of your book, and here we're going to learn the tie. The tie in music makes your two notes stuck together into one big one. For example, you have a quarter note here and another quarter here, and it has to be the same name of the note. For example, this is a C and this is C. And when you have a tie like this, it means now you actually have a half note. So if you think about money, maybe you will think like this. You have a dollar bill and a dollar bill, and then you put a tie on it, and now you got a $2 bill, but it's one bill. It's a one note, okay? So what does it mean? It means instead of playing this note like this, 1, 1, you actually have to play one note and count until 2. 1, 2. Okay? It's a very useful trick we can do with our notes to make them a little bit longer. And this is another example of that. You can have a half note with the tie. So if this is a half note, it means that it has 2 beats. 2, and then you have to make plus 2 equals 4. So this is a whole note. A whole note has 4 beats. So now this note, which is a G note, you would have to hold it for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's the difference about playing 2 notes, striking your note twice versus just once and then hold it through. Okay? So lemonade stand is going to introduce us to this new concept, and it's not going to happen in the very beginning. The beginning is something that we already have done, these patterns of the notes. But if you look at measure, well, let's count. This is measure 5, 6, 7, and 8. So measure 7 and 8, you have only one note to play, but it's a long note. Now, using this trick, using the tie, now let's count how many total beats your note will last for. So we have 1, 2, 3, right? This is a 3-beat note, and this is another 3-beat note. So now after 3, you have to hold it down and count 4, 5, 6. So now this note becomes a long note. Instead of 3 notes, it becomes a 6-beat note. Pretty cool, isn't it? So you can look, the next line, it's kind of the same as the first line, and then right here in the very end we have another tie, and again we have a dotted half note, which normally has only 3 beats to sound, but now by using this tie we extend this note for 3 more beats. So total amount of beats for this note is going to be 6 beats. Pretty cool. Okay, well, let's now start from the beginning of the note of the song. So we start in the C position on left hand. So right hand goes first. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next measure 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to play it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Happy practicing!